Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about our Pinnacle product, which has ColorReady technology. ColorReady technology makes it easy for the installer to tell visually that the adhesive is ready for the flooring installation. As you can see, the adhesive on my right is already dry. It's become translucent, so you'll be able to see chalk lines through it when you're setting your tile or planks. Makes your life a lot easier. As we spread the fresh adhesive, you'll see the difference in the contrast of the adhesive color. That color will, as it changes, gives a visual cue to the installer so he knows when the adhesive is ready for installation. At Taylor Adhesives, we developed ColorReady technology with you in mind. Taylor Pinnacle is the adhesive that tells you when it's ready.